Spice is doing her thing, okay, doing her thing, and she deserves a lot of props. Spice hold her own way better than some of these man dancehall artists who like it, who want bite it. I don't care. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about Spice. Spice is about to be crowned Queen of Dancehall at this year's staging of Sumfest. I don't know if Sumfest is actually going to be keeping because of this whole corona situation, but they're going to officially crown her the Queen of Dancehall. And quite honestly, I have a lot to say. If you guys know anything about me, you would know that I am a big Spice supporter. I absolutely love her. I love what she stands for. I love who she is as a person. Love Grace Hamilton, different from Spice. I want to talk about this whole crowning situation, and I also want to talk about her award that she was given in. I want to talk about New York, the award that she was given from Harvard University. And I don't see anybody talking about it, but I want to talk about it. So let's get into this story. It says February 18, 2020. New York, dancehall icon, love and hip-hop cast member Spice shakes up societal norms by becoming the first female Caribbean artist to receive an honor from the prestigious Harvard University's Caribbean Club. Setting multiple trends in dancehall, she sets another one by being the first dancehall female artist to receive an award from the world-renowned college. On February 29, 2020, the club will award Spice the Excellence in Dancehall and Reggae during their third annual Jubilee title. Many Nations, One People, hosted by fellow dancehall starlet Jessie Woo. With Billboard topping and charting music, a worldwide impact non-profit, releasing 2 sets of music-inspired makeup lines titled Piano Makeup Palette and Microphone Brushette, launching her hair company Faces and Laces, Spice deserves every award. She has not only started the global phenomenon of reggae popularization, but has also become a staple and mainstay for over a decade. According to Spice, it's an amazing and humbling that my contribution to the genre of music I love are being recognized by such as the prestigious college on the level of Harvard. Along with the new single titled Rolling, Spice is off to an incredible start to a new decade. What's next for the groundbreaking record artist? Who knows? But no, whatever Spice is up to next, it shall be revolutionary, and I have to agree cold-heartedly. She stay consistent, she stay relevant, she stay traveling, she stay dropping music, she stay dropping bomb videos, and she stay being relatable to her audience, and stay reinventing herself. Spice has broken many barriers for reggae dancehall artists, and people need to give her props and her just due. I honestly feel like Spice should have been crowned Queen of Dancehall a long time ago. But I think her skin color has a lot to do with it. A lot of people down her for her skin color, and I see it every single day on social media. And honestly, I feel like this is kind of like a slap in the face. I know they're crowning her, but they should have done this a very long time. I mean, enough people will talk about Spice is not the Queen of Dancehall. Lady Saw is still the Queen of Dancehall. Lady Saw gone to church, okay? Lady Saw gone to church, and Minister Marian Hall did her thing. She paved the way, but I feel like Spice has been the Queen of Dancehall for a very long time now, and I know a lot of people are saying she's not the Queen of Dancehall because she's not getting on Grammy. Well, Lady Saw got a Grammy for collaborating with an international artist. It wasn't really even her Grammy. It was for a collab. But I'm not trying to downplay or diminish Lady Saw Grammy. It's still a Grammy. I'm just saying, sorry, not sorry. Big up to Spice for that. I'm actually very happy that she's getting crowned, but I feel like this should have been done a very long time ago. So let's get into that article. Dancehall superstar Spice will claim her place among Jamaica's music greats when she is crowned Queen of Dancehall at the 28th staging of the iconic Reggae Sumfest, scheduled to take place from July 12 to 18 in Montego Bay. Spice is internationally recognized as one of the most prominent dancehall artists of this age. Turning out hit after hit for over a decade, she has also paved the way for younger generations of Jamaican female artists, many of whom are now established in their own right, and that is facts. You can't take that away from her. CEO of Dancehall Entertainment Joe Bogdanovich noted that Jamaican female artists have taken a leading role in the music industry both locally and internationally, and Spice has been at the forefront of that. Many younger artists have her to thank for laying the foundation that has led to their success. Spice has performed at Reggae Sumfest more than 10 times. Wow. So it's only fitting that she receives the title on our stage. She's an amazing artist and we look forward to honoring her. Excitement has already started to build for this year's festival, which promises a jam-packed week of events. Starting with Sunfest Cooler Fete on July 12 and ending with the much anticipated festival night 1 and 2. So Spice is gonna get her crown. She has performed more than 10 times. I didn't even know that. And Spice always killed the Reggae Sumfest stage. She always come out with new, inventive, creative Reggae Sumfest performances. So I believe it's only right to crown her on Reggae Sumfest. So big up to Spice. Big up to everything that she's doing and paving the way for other female dancehall reggae artists in not only local hemisphere but also in the international hemisphere. Spice is one of the first dancehall artists to be featured on an international TV show, and whether you like it or not, whether you like the content or not of the TV show, it is what it is. She's on an international platform and she's the first to do it. So big up to Spice for that. She has her own hairline, faces and laces. She have her makeup and brush set, which I want, by the way, and I'm gonna buy. She has her team together. She's always professional on time. There's nothing I can think of that Spice hasn't done, and she is very good to her fan base and her audience. I know a lot of people have said that she don't like taking pictures, but she's only human. Like, celebrities need your time too. A lot of these time people like to come up to celebrities when they're in when in private settings and kind of throw them off. So I've experienced that firsthand. But anyways, that's what I have to say about that. Spice is more than deserving and she should have gotten this a long time ago. Big up to Harvard for actually giving her that award too, because I feel like if Harvard didn't give her this prestigious award, she wouldn't have gotten crowned at Reggae Sumfest. They'll probably wait a few more years to crown her. So big up to Harvard for actually seeing the talent and seeing all that she has brought to the dancehall hemisphere and making sure that it doesn't go unnoticed and making sure that she knows that it's appreciated on a large level, a large scale. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that Spice should have been crowned Miss Queen of Dancehall a long time ago? Do you think her skin color played a part in why she wasn't crowned earlier? Do you think that people just don't like her or like her music and that's why she hasn't been crowned Queen of Dancehall? Do you think that if it wasn't for Harvard giving her this prestigious award, they wouldn't have crowned her queen of dancehall. What are your thoughts on all those questions? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.